Margellas. I feel like I look so cute. Some glittery pants. I do look a bit. So this is what I got. Are you happy new week of a vlog? Oh my god, I'm so flipping busy today. I'm so tired. I've got so many events on. I'm literally just packing myself up to head out. Oh my god, I'm so late. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to leave ASAP. So I'm gonna talk to you when I'm in when I'm in the cab. So guys, I literally just got to the most beautiful hotel ever. So this is the middle 8 in the, is it the suite? Like, look at the lighting. You can literally change it like, hold on, wait. You can literally change it like this. How crazy is this? This is probably like one of the best hotels I've ever stayed in. Then you come here and it feels like the bed. It's so flipping cute. We have the TV on here. I actually need to get ready because it's gonna take me so long to do my makeup. And look, look at the lighting in this hotel. We love a hotel with bright white lighting. Like, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you. Actually, oh my god, I've still got makeup on, so I need to wash my face, have a shower, everything. And look at this bath right here. It's super, super gorgeous. Gold taps. It's kind of in a weird position though. I'm not sure how often you get used to that because it's so nice. Like, and you've also got like a room here, which is super cute and just super cozy. The luggage there again. It's just so flipping nice. I love this room. This feels like so chill and zen. Oh, and there's this room here. Oh, look how big. Oh my god, this TV is so big. Look how big this TV is. We've got the couch here. This is definitely like such a chilled vibe here to have drinks and everything. It's just so flipping nice. The aesthetic of this room is so sick. So this is what I'm wearing. Chanel bag, Dior Lee top, Margellas. I feel like I look so cute. Oh my god, my under eye is so bright. Okay, I need to go. I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay. Look so cute. Morning. Today is a new day. Went out yesterday for some dinner. It was so nice. Went to this seafood restaurant called J Meeks. I'm not sure I can't remember what the name is, but I'll put in the description below. The oysters were so good and the food. Like, it was the first time I had like a fish pie, guys, and I don't really like fish. Well, I like fish, but I don't really eat like pies and stuff. But it was actually so nice. I'm literally gonna pop into the Glossier store for literally like maybe 10-15 minutes because they're opening a new store up in London, which is so exciting because they had a store before, but obviously because of COVID it had to close, and I think they've moved location now, so I'm gonna go and try there. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me so we can see if it's cute. Well, obviously it's gonna be cute, but yeah. So today is quite a mad day, so I'm gonna chill for the rest of the day. I've actually got a Coat Beauty party later, but that's not till later. So yeah, today's gonna be quite chilled. So see you guys in a bit. Just in the Glossier store. How cute is this? Guys, how beautiful is this store? You have the hoodies. Look at all the products. We have all the skin tints. We have the bronzers. Hello. So I had such a lovely day today. I got some birthday presents. Oh my god, the damage. My birthday presents. So I'm just in another room. Yeah, this hotel is beautiful, guys. I'm so tired. Look at these bags under my eyes. Wait, just getting some. I got the hell. But I've got 2 presents. I'm only gonna show you one because, girlies. I got a new bag for my birthday. I wanted it for ages. I'm gonna wear it tonight, but I'm gonna show you when I get ready. But struck the ground. But yeah, I had such a good day today. I'm a bit tipsy. I'm gonna give you a room tour actually. So this is like a different room. Still the same hotel. Wait. That's the bathroom. Super cute. Obviously, it's not a suite. And then it's super spacious. It's actually really nice. Got my bags. This bag here has something in it that I've wanted for so long. And when I said wanted it for ages, I wanted it for ages, but I need to get ready because I need to beat this face and I'll show you what I'm wearing later. Yes, I thought I'd do an unboxing. So, this is what I got. I'm gonna unbox it. No way am I showing off. No way am I just saying blah blah. This is a birthday present. I wanted this bag for a very, very long time. And it was a present, so it's not like I got it as a present. Oh, okay. I don't know, sorry, it's just, it's a material thing, it's material, but you know, it makes me happy. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god! Again! What is this sprayed in perfume? Oh, my baby! She's got the saddle. So this is the monogram oblique Dior saddle. I wanted it for ages. I just wanted the women's one. It's just so cute. Oh, look at it. I also got the strap as well. I got this strap. The strap, guys, was not cheap. This is the strap I got. This one here. So I'm not going to wear this tonight. I'm going to wear it in my outfit. I'm going to spray it with perfume, boy. Ciao. So yeah, that's what I got. It's just so cute. I love it. I love. It opens like this. Well, they've actually stuffed it really well. Oh, it's magnetic. I did not know that. But yeah, ciao. Oh, the other thing, I'm trying to think if I should show you on camera. I just don't know if I want to show it. Because I don't know, for security purposes and for my own sake, like it's not something I want to be like, yeah, I got this. I don't know. I just feel like there's so much madness in the world. Like, I obviously want to show you guys because obviously we're the plastic fam. But there's some people out there that are not going to be happy or that I got it as a birthday gift, and you know, so I probably won't show it. I'll probably tell you guys later in the line, but oh no, I'm going to decide if I'm going to show it in the vlog or not. But it's actually such a big, it's probably one of the biggest purchases I've ever made. Well, it was a birthday gift. It was a birthday gift. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I'm ready. Oh my god, I'm so late. Let me show you the bag. So I'm wearing my saddle's a full mirror. I'm wearing my saddle, some glittery pants. I do look a bit extra, but it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna head off because my cab has been waiting for the longest.
But also more gratitude, and I think it's with that more gratitude that I wanted to invite you guys all here tonight to say thank you so much for everything.
Hey, I just got home. Tonight was really cute. It was just such a cute night. I'm just, I can't wait to take these shoes off. These pants are from Zara. I'll try and link them in the bio. But oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on 1 sec. This is crazy. Ah! Yeah. So tonight was really cute. I'm so tired. Like my unit, I want to rip it off. Should I tell you guys? So I booked my hair transplant. I'm not sure about. I'm getting it done in January. I'm not sure if I should film the process. Like, I don't know. But I'm getting it done. I thought I'd let you guys know. I'm just so sick of units, and obviously I gotta be real with you guys because you're gonna know when I come on camera and I've got like bandages here. And I'm gonna show you what I got as a present. How cute is that? Obviously it was a present, you know, sorry, you know. But yeah, I'm so tired, guys. Like, I've got another dinner tomorrow, which I thought was on Thursday. I'm sure it's Thursday. No, it is tomorrow. Fuck. It's tomorrow. Oh my god. Yeah, it's tomorrow. Oh god, I'm so tired. Morning! How is everyone? What is going on? My unit is itching me. I'm just up. Yesterday was really cute. I'm trying to think if I vlogged some of it. I don't think I vlogged a lot of it. Oh my god, I was having that much fun. But to check out, if it wasn't for Danny, he actually reminded me I actually have a dinner this evening, which... Oh my god, I'm so tired. Look at my eyes. I'm so tired. My lips are so dry. But I'm going to get ready. I just had to film an ad. And then I'm going to get out of this hotel because I'm so tired. I need to get home. But so I'm going to see if I can go to the gym early. So this robe is honestly one of the best robes I've ever put on in my life. It's so soft. It's so snuggly. I just know Tasia would love this robe. I need to check how expensive it is. But I just know it's very, very expensive. Morning, guys. So I actually went out yesterday for a Rimmel dinner. No cozy, but I actually didn't vlog anything because I actually forgot I had my camera in my bag. Today I'm actually going to a Sex and the City screening. My car's outside. I'm actually on time. I got up early. Me, Danny and Ling ended up going out yesterday. We didn't do anything too crazy. But if I didn't have this today... Oh. My makeup looks a bit mad, I'm not gonna lie, I look crazy. You know you get makeup, mascara on your eyelid. I'm literally scraping it off. Because it looks very mad. My makeup looks a bit crazy, I'm gonna wear shades I think. I haven't slept, guys, I've been out every single day. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my outfit. Ooh, shit. I'm wearing my saddle. Wait. I need to be careful because there's oil on my bed, hold on. Let me put you guys there. So I'm wearing the saddle. Let me put my blazer on. Ooh. Where's this blazer? On time. So I feel like this is what I'm wearing. Ooh, don't watch it. What's that? Oh, don't watch it in the back. That's just some stuff I gotta take to charity. I'm wearing this blazer. I'm gonna wear it with my Prada loafers. Yeah, I just think when I wake up, I don't know what to wear. Just wear black, guys. It's the most safest thing to wear. So yeah, I'm gonna take it along to the screening with me. Well, we're doing mimosas at 10 o'clock, which I think is so crazy, but I don't think I'm gonna drink. I say that, and I bet you'll be drunk at 1 AM, child. But yeah, so see you when I'm there, guys.
So yeah, I'm so excited to see the characters brought back to life now that they're in their 50s. They're just as fabulous, fun, fashionable.
So I just got home. Oh my god. By the time this comes out anyway, it would have been, I think the first 2 episodes are on. And it's just, how's it called? And Just Like That. It's so sad. It's really sad. I'm gonna watch it again tonight by myself because I feel like for something like that, you definitely, for the first episode, you definitely want to take it in. Because when there's a group of people, it's quite an emotional episode. Like, Sex and the City's definitely changed, but obviously you got to keep up with the times. And it was just crazy. I don't know. It was very mad. But I'm glad it's Thursday. That's my last event of the week, thank God. I'm so tired. So you can tell how tired I am. Like, I need to change this unit as well. It's my birthday next week, Saturday, so I'm gonna try and look at things what I could do. I would have loved to have gone away, but I don't think I can. It's just too short notice, but yeah, guys. Guys, so literally just got my hair done. I'm not even sure where I last vlogged, but all I know this week was crazy. I want to let you guys know that the boot fair is back on, but there's some conditions. Okay, so the boot fair, well, the charity bags are only on for the UK because I really wanted to do the US before, but if I do the US, you guys won't get your bags before Christmas. So I'm gonna do it again maybe after Christmas because there won't be such delays with posts. So then you guys will get your charity bundles so much faster. Plus I think it'll just be too stressful before Christmas to just do the US. So yeah, if you're from the UK and you want to get yourself a charity bundle, go ahead, feel free to order. I'll put the link down below and you should receive your bonus before Christmas because they'll be shipped out this week. And it's going to be 50, 100, and I think that's it because the stuff is good, guys. It's really, really good. But hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog and hope you guys are having a good weekend. My birthday is each next weekend and I have no plans. So, but have a good week, guys. Mwah.